Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Measure 2 cups short-grain sushi rice and place it in a bowl. Rinse under cold running water, stirring with your hand until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. After rinsing, soak the rice in fresh water for 30 minutes so grains hydrate evenly. Drain thoroughly and transfer to a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring to a gentle boil, reduce to low, cover, and cook until absorbed. Remove from heat and let the rice rest, covered, for 10 minutes to finish steaming. While the rice rests, prepare the dressing. Combine 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon fine salt in a small saucepan. Warm the mixture over low heat just until the sugar and salt dissolve. Do not boil because that alters flavor and aroma. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly so it is warm but not hot. When the rice is ready, pour the seasoned apple cider vinegar evenly over the hot rice, so each grain can absorb the flavor and shine. Immediately transfer the seasoned rice to a wide shallow bowl or a wooden hangiri and spread it out evenly to increase surface area. Use a rice paddle to cut and fold the rice gently, mixing the vinegar without smashing the grains. Use a gentle slicing motion so individual grains stay distinct. While folding, fan the rice or use a hand fan to cool it for 10 to 15 minutes until it reaches room temperature, about 20 to 25 degrees C. Do not refrigerate before using. Serve rice slightly warm or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.